speak volumes when words become less. Love for freedom of India have left us blessed. Blessed with this freedom, the moments we share, come let's learn to care for a nation, to care for its people, and to wish our India a very auspicious Independence Day. A very warm and a pleasures morning to all the amazing personalities present over here. This is me, Divya, a citizen of independent India, right here in front of you all to have a word or two about Independence Day 2023. Since 1947, we have been celebrating our Independence Day every year. So I don't think any one of you present over here don't know what the Independence Day is. British colonized our India, many lost their lives, many lost their livelihoods, bloodshed protest, many women, children, so, and finally our India was free. See, I know it wasn't as easy as I said, but still, why to discuss something here on the podium which is easily available on Google and Wikipedia? Because hello, it's modern era, where we find Snapchat, Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook on the phone of each. Oh, it's Independence Day. Let me have a beautiful photograph with a caption of hashtag Independence Day, hashtag celebrating Independence Day, hashtag I am free, hashtag I love India, hashtag. Now forward it to my colleagues. WhatsApp status updated, posted on Facebook, Insta story updated, Independence Day done. This is what most people do on Independence Day. But the very next day, since the Independence Day is gone, their so-called nationalism is gone. It's quite funny because our parents take care of us each day. We care about them each day. Each day sun rises and each day sun sets. But to take care of our mother India, we just have 3 days. Independence Day, Republic Day and the Earth Day. And we say we love our country. Well, इश्क तो करता है हर कोई, महबूब पर मरता है हर कोई. कभी वतन को महबूब बनाकर तो देखो, कसम से तुम पर मरेगा हर कोई. But in this era, we hardly love our country. No doubt we say we love our country, but the people at the Siachins and at the hot temperatures of Rajasthan, day and night, never mind, are the ones who really and truly love our country. We say Captain America, Marvel, Thor, Avengers, Hulk, so and so are our superheroes. But why do we fail to mention our soldiers who were actually there to fight for us? Why do we fail to mention our farmers because of whom we are having something to eat? Why do we fail to mention our doctors because of whom we are fit today? Why do we fail to mention our teachers because of whom we are having something in our brains? Why do we fail to mention our parents because of whom we are today? And why do we fail to mention our own self? Today is the Independence Day, the day which is to be celebrated when one is truly independent. But honestly, I don't think any one of you present over here is truly independent. We are celebrating the Independence Day of 1947 in 2023 without actually being independent. We say we are celebrating the 76th year of independence, but still today we are bounded with the negative thoughts. We say we are celebrating the 76th year of independence when still today the birth of a girl is accepted while the birth of a boy is celebrated. We say we are celebrating the 76th year of independence when still today it is more shameful to be raped than to be a rapist. We say we are celebrating the 76th year of independence when a girl is still bounded to walk properly, talk properly, speak properly, dress properly and behave properly. With our egos on the top, we are celebrating the 76th year of independence. And congratulations, we are celebrating the 76th year of independence when people are like, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao और फिर ले जाकर kitchen में बैठाओ. This 15 August 2023 is not just the Independence Day, but the under construction Independence Day. Let this 15 August 2023 be actually really and truly independent, and then this celebration will actually have some meaning. Reminding you all, I would like to mention कि हम वही हैं जो पाड़ भेद कर धरती से धारा निकाल दिया करते थे, एक उंगली पर गोवर्धन उठा लिया करते थे. हम ही थे वो दिले जो चक्रव्यूह से लौटने की विद्या सीखे बगैर गए, और वो भी हम ही थे जिसके फेंके हुए पत्थर पानी पर तैर गए. मारना भी जानते हैं और बचाना भी. दुश्मनों के लिए फाइटर जेट और संगीन बनाई, लेकिन जब जिंदगी की सांस टूटने लगी तो वैक्सीन भी बनाई और लिख दिया उस पर सर्वे संत निरामया, यानी ईश्वर सिर्फ हम पर ही नहीं, सब पर करे दया। Thank you so much and all the best for your independence, which is still to be achieved.